Hi everyone, my name is Ryan.
And I'm Mia,
Welcome back to our slow and easy English conversations.
and today is exciting
Very exciting.
because this is part 2 of our restaurant English series.
Last time, we went to an Italian restaurant,
And honestly, I was very nervous.
but you did great.
Thank you.
You ordered food in English by yourself.
Yeah, and today I feel a little more confident.
That's amazing.
But today's restaurant is very different.
Very different.
Ryan is taking me to a fast food restaurant today.
That's right.
And honestly, fast food restaurants scare me more.
Really?
Yes,
Why?
because everything feels so fast.
Ah,
The workers speak quickly,
that's true.
and there are always many people waiting behind you.
The pressure feels real.
Exactly.
Haha.
Don't laugh. My brain stops working in those moments.
Honestly, that happens to many people.
Really?
Of course.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. And today, we'll practice together.
Slowly
Naturally.
and without stress.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone. Let's go.
I'm already hungry.
Me too. I skipped breakfast today.
That explains your bad mood earlier.
Hey, hungry Mia is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
So, Ryan, what should I order today?
Maybe a burger combo.
Sounds good.
With fries, of course.
Obviously.
Fries are mandatory.
Mandatory?
It means necessary.
Okay.
Fast food without fries feels wrong.
Honestly. True.
Oh, and nuggets are good here too.
Oh, yes.
Strong reaction.
Nuggets make me emotional.
Haha.
Wait,
What?
what exactly is a combo again?
Good question.
I hear that word everywhere.
A combo is a meal set.
Meal set?
Yes, usually a burger, fries, and a drink together.
Oh, okay.
And it's usually cheaper than buying everything separately.
Nice.
Restaurants love combos.
Honestly, I love combos too.
Ha ha ha.
Less thinking, more eating.
Wise words?
Thank you very much.
Oh, look, we're here.
Wow.
Bright lights everywhere.
And so many people.
Don't panic.
I'm trying not to.
First, let's look at the menu together.
Okay.
What do you see?
Burgers, fries, nuggets, milkshakes.
Good.
Oh, lemonade too.
Nice.
Large fries sound tempting.
Dangerous choice.
Why?
Because large fries disappear too quickly.
That's true.
Fries have magical powers.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, let's practice before ordering.
Good idea.
The worker may ask, "What can I get for you?"
Okay.
Then you answer with, "Can I get?"
Can I get?
Perfect.
Then I say my order?
Exactly.
Okay. Let me try.
Go ahead.
Can I get a chicken burger combo, please?
Perfect.
Really?
Very natural.
Oh, wow.
Then they may ask what size you want.
Small, medium, or large?
Exactly.
Okay. I think I'm ready now.
You got this.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I get a cheeseburger combo, please?
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
And what drink would you like?
Cola, please.
Great.
Mia,
Um,
take your time.
can I get a chicken burger combo, please?
Of course. What size?
Large, please.
Wow.
Don't judge me.
Ha ha ha.
And what drink would you like?
Lemonade, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes. One large fries for sharing, please.
Excellent decision.
I know.
Your total is $12.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
We survived.
Barely.
Ha ha ha.
No, seriously. Your English sounded great.
Really?
Yes.
My heart was beating so fast.
That's normal.
But honestly, I feel proud.
You should,
Small conversations feel scary before you try.
but easier after you try.
That's so true.
Confidence grows little by little.
Like watering a plant.
Wow, nice metaphor.
Thank you.
English is kind of like the gym too.
Huh?
The first day feels difficult,
Very true.
but after practice, you become stronger.
I like that.
Good.
Oh, our food is ready.
Finally.
Those fries smell incredible.
Oh, wow. Your burger looks huge.
I ordered large everything.
I can see that.
No regrets.
Ha ha ha.
Okay. First bite.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wow. That good?
This burger is amazing.
Mine too.
Fast food tastes better when you're really hungry.
Absolutely.
Wait,
What happened?
ketchup emergency.
Ha ha ha.
We need more ketchup immediately.
Good English practice.
Right.
You can say, "Can I get more ketchup, please?"
Okay.
Go try.
Alone?
You can do it.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I get more ketchup, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
See?
That was actually easy.
Exactly.
Why do small conversations feel so scary sometimes?
Because people want perfect English. But communication is more important than perfection.
Wow.
Most people don't care about small mistakes.
They just want to understand you.
Exactly.
That makes me feel much better.
Good.
I think many listeners feel nervous like me.
Probably.
But learning English takes courage.
Absolutely.
And courage grows with practice.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
Okay. Vocabulary review time.
Yay.
Combo.
A meal set with food and drink.
Fries.
Fried potato sticks.
Soda.
Sweet fizzy drink.
Ketchup.
Tomato sauce for fries.
Order.
Asking for food.
Size.
Small, medium, or large.
Perfect.
Honestly. I'm remembering words more easily now.
Because you're learning naturally.
Through conversation.
Exactly.
Oh, Ryan,
Yeah?
I'm so full.
Same.
But I'm happy.
Food and confidence together.
Best combination ever.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, everyone. Now we have a question for you.
What is your favorite fast food?
Burgers,
Fries?
pizza,
Nuggets? Tell us in the comments.
and have you ever ordered food in English before?
We would love to hear your story.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel.
And join us again for more slow and easy English conversations.
We're proud of your progress.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling,
and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
because mistakes help you grow.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Everyone.